Hi, in this video I will talk about my favorite knife, OLFA. So this is made in Japan. A lot of people think that this is the knife for arts or crafts, but actually it is a very good working knife. Let me tell you why. So the first thing is the build quality. It's made like a tank. You can throw it, you can smash it, you can drop it, no problem. I never see one piece of cracked, but just if you use a hammer, that would be cracked, definitely. But it's just the normal use, it's no problem at all. And you can put a lot of pressure on this knife because it got metal inner inside, very strong metal. And I sometimes using this to pry or use like a screwdriver. And it got a very good grip. It just feels good in hand. It's not that too big. It's not small either. Another thing is the locking system. You see here? And now you just can move and you just lock it. It just can't move at all. It's very strong because when you're using a knife, if this one loose, it's gonna be dangerous or you just cannot do the job. But this one, this locking system, I like it so much. And another one is the changing knife blade. It's very easy. Let me show you how. So for this knob, you just lose it and you just put it here, like from the back, and you take the knife out. And just take another one, put it on the knob, like this. And you must pay attention to the direction. You should be this one, not like that. If like that, it'll be wrong. Okay, so put it like here and push in to the right position and lock it. That's it. I've been using OLFA knife for a decade. It's really good. Like this one is really beat up, but I'm still using it. It's almost like 10 years old. So when I was a welder, working in the oil industrial, so the basic, every company using knife, all this brand, you see, is in the industrial environment. So we're using this knife for cutting everything, for wires, ropes, or wood, or even metal. I just use it everywhere. Everybody almost have one. So if you're looking for good quality, cheap, and sturdy knife, I think this is #1 choice. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.